Last time when we launched workshop registration, more than 350 people have registered. Over the past 2 months, we have successfully completed the workshop for all of them. Now we are launching new registration for next 9 batches, and the link can be found in the description. Hi, this is PR Sundar. In India, the understanding of Greeks is not really very good with many people. When the market is bullish, buy call option, market is bearish, buy put option. So their level of understanding is only this much. And the people who know little bit, they only look at the alpha, theta, gamma like that. I came out with a video called a synthetic future. So I said, if you want to go long in future, instead of going long in future, you can buy a call option and sell a put option. So the payoff will be exactly same as the futures payoff. Then immediately some people ask me a question. Sir, you are going long in future. The future has delta 1. So instead of going long, you are suggesting buy one call option and sell one put option. Still, this involves selling of an option which needs large margin money. Sir, why not I buy 2 call options, 2 at the money call options? They think at the money call option has delta 0.5. So the future delta is 1, at the money call option delta is 0.5. Why not I buy 2 call options? So 0.5 delta plus 0.5 delta becomes 1 delta. It is same as future. So this is totally a wrong argument. I just give one example. Let us say the market is at 10,800. You go long in future, market goes up, you gain, market goes down, you lose. You go synthetic long, which means you buy one 10,800 call option, sell one 10,800 put option, still the payoff will be same as the future. But if you buy 2 call options, let me tell you, market goes up, down, up, down, up, down. At the end of the month, market comes and closes at 10,800. Let us take case 1. You have gone long in future. You have gone long at 10,800. Market goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. At the end of the month, it closes at 10,800. That means you will be in no profit, no loss. Your loss will be 0, profit will also be 0. Do the same thing in synthetic future, that will also be the same. There will be no loss and no profit. But if you have bought 2 call options, what would have happened? Both the call options would have come to 0. Then you will be losing heavily. So then how can you add 0.5 delta plus 0.5 delta is equal to 1 delta? So that is totally illogical. I am going to show you, and this video was shot on 8th of July. So I am going to show you here. The previous day Nifty closed at 10,766 and today it closed at 10,682. So if you look how much it has fallen, 82 points. So today Nifty future fell 82 points. This is the future position. If you have gone long in future, you would have lost 82 points. And previous day it was around exactly 10,800 Nifty spot. Okay. If you have done the synthetic future, what would have happened? You look here, 10,800. Call option fell 36 rupees and put option increased 44 rupees. So 44 plus 36. So it is about 80 point. So there it is 82, here it is 80. Just 1 or 2 rupees due to liquidity here and there may come. So synthetic future, you would have lost 80 rupees. In Nifty future, you lost 84 rupees. But if you have bought 2 call options, what would have happened? You lost only 36 rupees in one call option. 2 times 36 is only 72. The options don't behave exactly same as the future. The delta is not the only factor that is affecting the options. There are many other factors like time decay, volatility, and there are many other factors that affect the option prices. So therefore, the alternate for future long is the synthetic future, not 2 times call option. And today the VIX has gone up. If you have seen some other days where the VIX has fallen significantly, so the impact will be much more. So always have a clear understanding of the option Greeks. Thank you for watching.